What was that again?
I don't think I've ever been less sunny and more sweaty in my entire life.
It is humid and we are leaking.
Boy.
It's not even hot. It's just
Not even.
humid. Hey, thanks for stopping by. This is the early birds at Boyd Pond Park. We got up at 7 o'clock this morning. We were there by 7:15. So enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're here out at Boyd Pond. The early birds at Boyd. Got Michael behind the camera. Cameron's gonna play with us today. We're here at number 1. It's par 3, 245 feet. And here we go. Okay, so this is first throw with this new disc. My backhand has been pretty spotty as of the past 2 days. So I've just been trying to get it under control. The next shot, you'll see Michael throwing a pretty darn good shot off the start for not being able to play for a couple years. Here, I wanted it to hyzer into the basket, but it didn't. It just kept going straight. Michael's going to lay up, and then somebody didn't catch us putting, so we'll just stay with it.
That's pretty good.
So here I missed my putt, so I ended up +1, which was a 4. Michael got a 3, and Cameron got a 4, so +1. We're on par 3 second hole, 244 feet. Okay, so here you want to either take one of two lines. You can either go the right line, which I tried to take there. I ended up in the woods. Or you can go the left line, which if you see those trees up there, you can go around it. So here is pretty much just scrambling up and trying to make par.
Pretty good shot.
Okay, so we all got pars here except for Cameron. Cameron got a 5. Here we are on the par 3, third hole now, 182 feet. It's right up there on the right. Here I was trying to throw a sidearm. I threw it really high. I'm not used to this disc. I literally bought it yesterday. This one, and which is a Wraith, and then a Thunderbird to replace a disc that I lost 2 days ago now over at North Augusta. So we're all just trying to get used to it, and here we are scrambling for pars, which I think we all make it here. Here we are on the number 4, par 3, 213 feet. And I'll be in the woods. Good. Come back. Here we are at the par 4, 5th hole, 390 feet. Pretty much over all these hills and tucked into the left. So here I realized that I did not take a picture of the map of the course. It basically goes up. There's 3 hills right here in front of us. And then you basically got to get over that last hill, and then it's about another 50 yards from there. So that is good. Good spot. Good. Sitting up there nice and pretty. The par. There it is. Small glimpse of the camp. Oh no! Here we are, hole number 6, par 3, pretty much straight downhill, 319 feet. Oh, that sucked, had no power on it. And Michael with the really nice throw. If that tree wasn't there, it'd been neat. Oh. Okay, so here we all made par except for Cameron. Cameron came in with a 4. Moving on to hole number 7. Here we are, par 3, hole number 7, 273 feet. See if I can get some power on this thing. Nope. If you were watching at home, this is not what you want to do. You don't want to throw it into the trees on the right. You can go long. There used to be a pond right there in the middle of those trees where those trees are. Michael put it in a very nice spot. Cameron put it up to the left of the trees. So now everybody's just trying to scramble in and get a par. I do believe on this hole that I made a 4, Michael made a 3, and Cameron made a 4. There's a nice shot of me airmailing. I thought I made this right here, but it came up just short, and Michael dings it off. Here we are, hole number 8, par 3, 255 feet. On this hole, you can take one of 2 lines. The line that I'm taking now, you can go out and bring it back if you got a forehand, or you can go straight through. It's a very narrow gap. You're going to see Michael kind of try to do this, but you need to put a little bit more height on it. And then now we're all just scrambling in for pars, which we all made on this one, because Cameron made a very nice, probably 25 foot putt. All right, so we are out here. We've already played through 8 holes. Not doing so hot. Michael might be actually doing better than me, which is not good, but he's just throwing it wherever he feels like it and getting really kind of lucky at this point. We have the unlockable player Cameron, which you can't see because we haven't unlocked him yet. But we're doing all right and we're having fun, so that's all that matters. Here we go, 9th hole. Just a quick tidbit. Cameron chose not to be recorded, which is totally cool. We just called him the unlockable character since you couldn't really see him. 9th hole, par 3, 279 feet. Right behind those trees. And that's where you don't want to be. That is a really good throw. Here we go. That. Got you. Mark. Oh.
Put that, bro.
Put it.
You gotta put that. That's not getting. Oh.
The guest of honors has honors, and he's in the middle of the fairway. Number 10, par 3, 258 feet.
Nice.
Came out wobbly. Oh. Try that again. Par 3, 11th hole. It's not the really long one, it's the short one now, so 330 feet. Here we go. Okay, so here I tried to backhand it, get a little bit of distance on it, but I released it really late, sent it flying into the woods. Michael trying to showboat here, ended up not putting on the best of the line, but he was still good. Tree to hang out with. And then, yep, just another where you could see where it went. Here I am in the woods, fun pitching out. Michael throwing up for par. Did pretty good there. And then I just could not put it where I wanted it to go. Thought I was going to get it here with the putt, but it came up just a little off.
Oh.
And Michael here with the slow-mo putt is going to doink it off the basket. And you can see the little look of frustration. That's a gimme. So we got bogeys there. Moving on to the next hole. Nothing dumb this time. 12th hole, par 3, 374 feet. Straight ahead. You can see the basket up there.
Straight airmail all the way. Over the basket. Come back, let's go. Got Tiger Disc out here.
Wish I could get some. What was that again?
I don't think I've ever been less sunny and more sweaty in my entire life.
It is humid and we are leaking.
Boy.
It's not even hot. It's just
Not even.
humid. Oh, that was.
That's gonna be good.
All right. No, it wasn't. Uh-oh. Sudden disc change. Here we go.
Oh, it's bad. Oh, it's bad.
Man. Good layup. Oh.
Gotta get money in, bro. Let's go.
Hole number 13, par 3, 241 feet. Here on this hole, you definitely want to, if you have a good forehand, throw it that way because you kind of want to stay out of the woods on the left. It's very dense there. You can't really get through. Michael's going to get lucky here. He threw it on the left side, but it barely went into the woods. So he's going to be able to save his par here. Cameron also made par. I also made par. So you'll see it. Oh, that sucks. Hole number 14, par 3, 199 feet. Straight dead ahead.
Still hot, still humid. Nice. Oh,
I guess there's,
you couldn't do
that's
that.
lucky.
Couldn't do that again if you tried. Try it again. Do it again.
No. Oh, lucky bounce. Just go sit on the hill up there. Just letting you know, it's not going to happen like that. Not like that, though. All right, she rolled back just a little bit. Hey! Oh. Here, before we start the 15th hole, there is a huge climb up to get up to the top of this hill. So that's why we're all kind of out of breath at this point.
Good. Shout out to Michael with the good camera angle over here, by the way. Hole number 15, par 3, 264 feet.
Oh, nice.
Michael said he's got the lead. He's just gonna. Do you, big boy? The dinger and the hole. Oh no. Oh, okay. Hole number 16, par 3, 201 feet. Everybody with the half decent shots, and I'm over here sucking it up. Disc Golf Anonymous. Hi, my name's Gary. I throw it into the woods. I can't stay out of them. I just love being in there. Poison ivy, poison oak, always fun.
Okay, for the next couple videos, I have no idea why Michael took the video at this way. I just have nothing for you. So here we all kind of had some bad putts. I thought I had it in here, but I looked at the camera and it kind of threw me off. And then Michael, I don't know, he just decided he wanted to throw his bag into the to the thing in just a second.
I don't know why Michael's raging. He's the one in the lead. As you can see, we're leaking. He's leaking. He's kind of leaking. Par 3, 17th, 210 feet. Totally uphill. Totally.
Stay up.
Come on back. I think we're fine. That's nice. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Not too bad. Oh. Okay, you good.
Okay, so Michael tried to slow-mo the putt here for me, but it didn't work out too well. Just didn't make it.
Here we are on the last hole, number 18, par 3, 345 feet. It's on the other side of the two trees. Here we go. I'm pretty sure that is.
It's a good shot.
That's nice. So a little bit more, we're about to finish up. All three of us had a really good tee shot here. We're just gonna finish it up. Hopefully we can get some pars, get the scores in, and then that'll be it with the three. Actually, I should probably. Probably should not do that. Hold up, YouTube. I just threw this shot after I threw my first shot just to see what happened. and it landed literally on top of the basket. Go show them. Here's the question. Does that count? Yes or no? Comment.
Last one of the day. There it is. Hearing the chains rattle.
Slow-mo. All right, so this was too much. It was too hot. Well, it wasn't even hot. It was just humid.
Yo, look.
Literally.
Look at it.
Leaking.
Look at it.
2 degrees. Anyways, so here we are. We finished. Don't know the scores. I'll put them up at the end of the video in just a second. I'd like to say thanks to Cameron and Mike for coming out. Makes it a little bit more enjoyable when you have actual people with you instead of just like, oh, well, I'm here talking by myself. At this point, don't know what's about to happen. Probably gonna go home, edit the video. Thanks for stopping by. If you like the video, I mean, we suck, but it is what it is at this point. Like and share, follow, whatever. What is YouTube? What is it? Like and subscribe. There it is.
Yeah, there it is.
Thank you. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.